guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing some awesome hacks that you must try for this summer 2018. So we're gonna get right into it. I don't like to ramble a lot, but if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel just so you guys don't miss any future hacks or anything else that I will be having here, because you know, just to join the Sparkly Babe fam. Go ahead and do that for me. The button is right down there. Also thumb up this video while you at it, because why not? So the first hack that I'm going to be showing you guys is actually how to achieve flawless, not permanent, but semi-permanent freckles. For that, we're going to be using tanning lotion, and the tanning lotion that I'm going to be using today is Sahony Bourdier's tanning lotion in dark, just because it's also very moisturizing, which is one of the main reasons why I'm using this type of lotion, just because I do have dry skin, so I like anything that's moisturizing. So I like this tanning lotion. You don't have to use this one. There's many different type of tanning lotions, but for this we are going to be using tan lotion, you guys, because you guys know tan lasts for a few, maybe up to a week, depending on how much you wash your face. And this is not my idea, by the way. I was actually inspired to do this video from Amanda Ensign. She did this video and she mentioned that somebody else had done it as well, so this is not my idea, but I thought it was like an awesome ass idea to do this. So this is, I just want to share with you guys how awesome this is. You know, freckles are so cute and they just flattering on the face. I just thought it would be super nice to try them and create them. So some of the things that you'll need is just a regular tanning lotion. This is the one that I'm using here, the Sahony Bourdier's professional tanning lotion in dark. I'm also going to be using a little brush like this one, just to dab it all over my face, you know, just to create that little freckle effect. Yeah, this is actually #2 Artist Loft from Michael Craft Store. Super thin, very precise a brush. You can also look up on Google any freckles like reference, just to see where you want to apply them. I'm not gonna go too crazy because obviously I don't have freckles, so I don't want to look too crazy, you know what I mean? I want them to look natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it onto this right here, and I'm taking the slightest bit, you guys. Once again, I'm not trying to like put this all over my face, but we're gonna try this, honey. Okay, so just start dotting wherever you want the freckles, you guys, basically. This is kind of scary, to be honest, kind of scary, but don't worry, you guys, this does wash off. Are they too big, you guys? You definitely want to spread them around unevenly, because obviously freckles are not even, but here we go. So I'm creating like small and larger dots, not super large, but like uneven like sizes and all over around, basically. Again, you guys, they're not gonna be this dark, just because obviously you're gonna rinse this off and it's gonna get a little lighter, but the point is to look super natural. Okay, you guys, so this is how I like mine. I think it looks super cute, semi-natural, not too crazy. And also, I don't know why, I feel like this gives like an appearance of more of a youthful look, so that's why I like it. But we're gonna let this sit right here for a few till we do our brows, because yes, next is gonna be like our semi-permanent brows with tanning lotion. So let's do that. Okay, you guys, so for the brows, I actually thought it would be better if I did my brows first, just because I wanted to see the shape of how I like my brows, and then go in with a tanning lotion. But I don't know how is that going to adhere onto my skin. So should I take off my brows and then do them? Let's take off our brows, because that will make more sense, right? 1, 2, and brows are completely off. So let's do the tanning lotion now. And by the way, in case you guys are interested, one of my favorite brushes to use for my brows is the Morphe brow brush. I'm not sure what's the number or anything like that, because everything has it raised from here, if it even had any, by the way. Yeah, but it's my favorite brush. I'm gonna dip it onto the tanning lotion and start doing my brow how you would normally do them. So I just put a little bit like that on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna drag it onto the brows, through the brows. So first I'm gonna brush my brows upward, then I'm gonna start filling it in. And trust me, you guys, I would have used hair dye, like black hair dye. I know I've seen some people doing that, but I don't think that will be safe for your skin, like your actual face skin. You guys know that's very sensitive. Your face skin, face, that. So I'm just pretty much filling in like my natural brows and going towards the direction that my brows are growing. And then for the front, you guys, I'm gonna do hair strokes upwards, just using my brush this way. Can you guys see it on my forehead? Yes. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this, honey. And it would definitely be like brow tinting, like going to a salon and getting your brow tinted, but this is way much cheaper and you could do it how you like your brows. And in case you don't like them, like you at least didn't end up paying for it, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process on my other brow. I think I'm a little bit satisfied with this one, maybe not too much, but let's see. Okay, you guys, so the brows are did. I definitely feel like this is brow tinting 101 DIY at home. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let it dry because obviously you have to let this tanning lotion dry out on your face so it can set and, you know, become like the real thing. So we're gonna wait. I think I'm gonna wait at least an hour. I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving right now, so I haven't ate. So while this set, I'm gonna go eat and BRB and show you guys the aftermath or something. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I did went ahead and ate and did all my little things that I had to do. It's been about almost an hour, I believe, or maybe half an hour, I'm not sure, but I did went and did my thing, and now we're gonna go ahead and take a little wet towel and just remove the tint. That makes sense? We're just gonna remove everything basically. So I'm gonna start with the freckles because that's where I started first. So let's do this. Ooh. Ooh. Holy shit, you guys, you can definitely see how natural they look. You can see, oh my god, that's so cute. If you don't like it, you just let it go. Don't worry, it's going to be, you know, it's not permanent. With a couple of face washes, it's gonna be gone, so don't even worry about that. But I just want to close you guys in on how natural it looks on the skin. Like, I love it. I love it. It's cute. And I feel like this is such a good way, you guys, to take away from, like, if you have pimples, or if you have pimples, you can also put it on top of it and make it look like freckles, you know what I mean? Like, it's a good, like, camouflage idea. This is, I'm loving this right now. I'm loving it. My skin looks good. The freckles looking good. I think I should apply a little bit more, but I didn't want to go crazy because once again, I don't have natural freckles, so I don't think they will look too good on me. But I like this. It's cute. It's alright. Now let's go ahead and remove the brows. I'm excited for this part. Oh my god. Not so sure about this. My brows definitely look darker, as you can see. Okay, it's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and brush the brows. And these are the brows, you guys, afterwards, after I remove the tanning lotion. I'm gonna show you guys a before right here so you guys can see how it looked before I apply them and after I take them off. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is all for today. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like this tanning lotion idea for freckles and brows, and maybe other things like your lip line, but this will be too dark to like overline my lips with this. I don't know, kind of weird. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. I definitely really liking the freckles so far. Maybe the brows will be like perfect for a day like on the pool or anything like that, you don't want to do too much makeup, or you don't want to do makeup at all. You just tint your brow with some tanning lotion and girl, you're ready to go, because they definitely look way fuller than having no brows at all. You know what I mean? Please subscribe to become part of the Sparkling Babe fam. Until next time, I'll see you all.